Today I am collaborating with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May to bring you 10 last minute Dollar Tree Christmas gift ideas that you will want for yourself. The information to her channel will be in my description box below. The Dollar Tree have these make simple cookbooks, and they have this one with these chicken recipes, and then they have one with the air fryer recipes. I think these are so cute, and I'm just going to show you a quick easy way to gift these. Now what I'm going to be using to gift these in is one of these pot holders. They have many colors, but I wanted to keep something sort of black or a neutral color. Now 2 of these books can fit in this pot holder pocket. I'm just putting them in there one at a time, and I think this is a cute way to gift them. I'm going to actually add recipes to this. I just used my Cricut and I cut out the word recipes that was in the image section, and I'm just going to use my heat press to add it to the pot holder. Once it cools down, I'll just remove the plastic, and that's just a really quick little add-on, but you can leave it as is. And so now what I'm going to do is add both of my cookbooks inside of the pocket. I also picked up some tongs because I thought it would be nice to add some kind of kitchen utensil to this as well, and I thought the tongs would be perfect since the recipe books are chicken and air fryer. You can add this inside some plastic, or you can just add it to a bag, but I think it's a really cute gift idea. And the pot holder with the recipes on there, you can add your little paper recipes. It's just a quick little cute functional add-on. I'm going to show you another quick way to gift cookbooks. I have 3 more cookbooks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using this cooking pan. I'm just going to add the books right on the pan, spread them out, and then I'm going to tape down another one of these kitchen utensils because what I'm going to be doing is using some of the shrink wrap, and that I pick up from Hobby Lobby for $1.99, and you get 2 shrink wrap bags, but I usually cut them in half. I thought instead of just using one of the bags from the Dollar Tree, I thought this needed to be more shrink wrap. So all I do is take it and I just fold the plastic in the back, put the dryer on there, and that is usually it. I just tape it down in the back, and that is simple. I think this is definitely a cute way to gift some cookbooks as well. I always think it's cute to give like these peppermint boxes, so I picked up a few items from the Dollar Tree. They have this peppermint popcorn, that bar, these peppermint spoons, these little mints, and I also have another one of those peppermint bark bars. I found this cute little box, and the trimming of it was really cute, and I thought this would be perfect to add my items in. So I'm just using some of this paper from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add it inside of the box, and then I'm going to arrange my items. I think these boxes is cute even if you did like a chocolate box or just any a coffee box, just anything that you know that person would love. I also had this cute little peppermint pick that I thought would be perfect inside. Now I think this should be shrink wrapped as well, so I'm going to use that other piece of shrink wrap that I had because I cut the other one in half, and I'm just going to place it. I always like to push the shrink wrap to the back or to the bottom because when you add the dryer, I don't want any of the folds in the front. So what you see me doing is just taping everything in the back just to make sure that everything is secure, and then I'll just go and add the dryer to it to shrink everything. And I think this is a perfect, really cute little gift, last minute gift. This is cute for friends, family, or for the kids to gift to their teachers. I absolutely love this gift. It is so cute, and once I shrink it, that'll be it, and it's ready to be gifted. Another cute gift idea is in the Dollar Tree. They always have these little cute wax warmer decor pieces, and I'm going to grab that black one along with some of the wax melts, some oils, and I am going to pick up the tea light candles to use. And so here's my items, and I thought it would be great to gift it in one of those little tin pots from the Dollar Tree, some little tin planters, and I'm just going to add some more of that white paper in the inside, and then what I'm going to do is just arrange my items. So this is a really cute gift, and I have the cute little wax warmer and everything that you need to utilize it. And I do want to shrink wrap this as well, so I'm using another piece of the shrink wrap. And if I mentioned, you do get a 2-pack from Hobby Lobby for $1.99. I do have a holiday pick with a pine cone that I'm just going to add in the inside for some embellishment, and then I'm going to take half of that shrink wrap and just place it. Here's another pack. I end up opening another pack. I'm not sure why, because I did have another little piece left, but here's another pack. It probably wasn't big enough. So what I'm going to do is just cut that down, and then I am going to turn it around because I do like everything facing the back. So all I'm going to do is fold everything in the back, add some tape to tape it down, and then I'm going to go add the dryer to this one as well. And how cute is this? This gift looks really nice, and I am really excited to gift this. I have those tags from the Dollar Tree, and you can just add one and put the name, and that's it. This is so adorable. I really like this next gift idea. Everyone is going to need new calendars for the new year. So I have 2 calendars from the Dollar Tree, one of these planners. I have these cute little notepads and these cute little magnet things to do. And I also picked up some ink pens. I picked up one of those, as you can see, the white baskets from the Dollar Tree. I added some paper because I think those white baskets is also perfect for storage that the person can use. And so as you can see, I'm just arranging all of my items in the basket, and I do have one of the gift basket plastic, and this plastic is from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to place the basket inside of the plastic, and I'm just going to pull everything to the top so that I can add tape around to seal my basket. I think this is so cute. It's such a great gift that everyone can use. I'm going to take one of those tags from the Dollar Tree, but I'm going to use some jute cord instead of the little strings that come with it. And I'm just going to string it through the hole, and then I'm just going to tie this around the top of the basket. The basket actually stands up sideways. I think this is such a cute gift. You can definitely gift this to your kids, teachers, families, friends, whoever, but it's actually a really thoughtful gift. So I love the next gift idea because we cannot forget our pets, and we have a few pets in our family. We have Toby and we have Sweet Gracie, and so I thought it'd be cute. The Dollar Tree have some really cute um, items to create a little basket for your pets. And so I'm going to create this for Toby, my niece, sweet little pup. And so I got these items here, and all I'm going to do is add them inside of the basket. So I'm going to place the little pad right in, and then this little bucket come with a lid, and I'm just going to place the lid right behind that, and then I'm just going to add all of my other items in there. You can add this to some plastic. They have the little pup shampoo, but I'm not going to put no plastic over this right now. I want you to be able to see how cute and adorable this little gift basket is. I'm going to add the little treats in there, and this is so simple, so cute. Nice little gift for your pet. Definitely giving a useful gift is always great, and everyone can use air fresheners or things to freshen up their home. So I picked up a few items, and I love those little plastic containers because those are great to use under your sink. So you're giving someone something functional as well. So I have these items here, and I did grab one of those little plastic containers, and I'm just going to add some more of that paper in the inside, and then I'm going to start arranging the items. I think this is a very functional gift basket to use. I'm actually going to use this one because we always do little fun family raffles when we get together for the holiday, and we do raffle off little baskets and stuff. So I think I'm going to use this one as one of the raffle gifts. So I'm adding into one of the plastic gift bags from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing it in the inside, and then I'm going to tape it down in the back, and then I'm just going to gather it at the top like you do to create the basket and add some tape around it. It's a little bigger than I need it to be, so I always, once I tape it, cut it down because I use all scraps from any gift plastic that I use, because you can always use it for smaller gifts. So what I'm going to do is just put that to the side so that I can use it. I'm taking some jute cord, and I'm just going to pull off a piece of a little holiday greenery to tie in between the jute cord, and that is it. I think this is a great last minute gift. So now I didn't realize that the Dollar Tree have this 4 pack of these K-cups, and they also have these little chocolate espresso beans. I think this is so cool that they have those. So for a little simple gift to give someone, I thought this coffee mug that say live simply and these items would be great. So I am going to take the K-cups out of the box. Now I originally put one to the side because inside the cup I was only able to fit 3 along with the little chocolate beans, but later I decided to pull the beans out so that I can get all 4 of the cups in, and I just put the beans to the side. Now this little plastic bag is from the Dollar Tree, out of the pack that have the 20 little tree bags. So as you can see, I'm moving the little chocolate beans to the side, and now I can add that last K-cup. All I'm going to do is add the jute cord around the top, and I'm just going to tie a little simple basic bow, and that's going to be it. I think this is a really cute little gift if you had to create multiple gifts for your co-workers or a friend group. So this next gift basket idea is for anyone who loves to detail their own car. This is definitely perfect for my husband because his second car, he just keeps it in a garage and he likes to keep it clean, and he's always out there cleaning something. So the Dollar Tree had all of these cool little car detail items, and these are some familiar brands, and I picked up a couple of car air fresheners and some sponges and towels. This little caddy here from the Dollar Tree is perfect to add the things in to create the basket. So what I'm going to do is just play around with the placement first to see where I want to add everything. And once I get everything added in there the way I want, I am going to add the plastic to this and wrap it up, and I'm going to sit it in the garage so that my husband can have it when the weather permits for him to be out there working and cleaning on his second vehicle. So I think that's how I'm going to have everything, and then I'm just going to take the gift basket plastic from the Dollar Tree and place it right in the inside. I thought using the caddy was perfect for like storage purposes, and just being able to carry it around. And so I'm just doing the same thing like I do by adding the tape if needed, and then pulling it together at the top and just taping it down. And then what I'm going to do for this basket is I am going to use one of those holiday tags from the Dollar Tree. I thought that was a really cute pack of holiday tags, so I did pick up some extra of those because I'm going to be using those on the boys' gifts this year. So after I tape it around, I'm just going to string on one of those tags using some jute cord. I'm going to tie it around the top and tie a basic knot, and that is going to be it. I think this is a really cute, functional, useful gift idea to give someone. So for this next gift idea, it's always good to gift popcorn, and I just had to do this one. So I just got one of the buckets from the Dollar Tree that says popcorn, and they have plenty options. They have this Crunch and Munch, they have the Pop Secret, and they have the little I can't never think of the name, Cracker Jacks in the 3 packs. And so that is it. I think this is cute for the kiddos. This is cute for anyone who loves popcorn. And remember, today I'm collaborating with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May. So don't forget, after watching this video, check the description box below so that you can see what great ideas she have come up with. And if you're coming over from her channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to all of my sweet viewers, my subscribers, to all of my lovely friends. Thank you for all of the support you have shown my channel. I am super excited for the new year and to share with you some new ideas. Until next time, my lovely friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.